Hi guys, how are you? Um, I hope everybody is fine. Today I'm going to show you a data entry site where you can earn money by typing data. So in this video, you will be informed about how to sign up on that data entry site and how to work on this site and how you can be paid. So let's go to web browser to see the full process. So here is the site. I already put the links on description. Yes, the site is 2capsa. 2capsa is a very best and trusted site for beginners if you want to earn money as a beginners from online, because as a beginner you can't any freelancing jobs like that, graphics design, web design, and any other web development, but you can type and earn money from 2capsa. So if you want to work on this site, just click on register button and you will get a registration form. Here you have to input your email and your password and repeat the password, and here you can see the image, and the image has two words. You have to type these two words on the box and click on register button. After click on register button, your account will be created. So after that you will get your dashboard like that. Here you see dashboard, payouts, start work, FAQ, questions, and blog, etc. Here is your all details about your earning and your information, profile information, and you have to uh, pass an exam, uh, because uh, if you want to earn money in caps to capsa, you have to uh, uh, pass for an exam. Here you have to fill type 42 capsa for training mode. If you pass on training, you will earn money by typing capsa. So as a beginner, just here you see normal plus recapsa. As a beginner, just click on only normal, because as a beginner if you select only normal, you will get uh, easiest capsa to pass the training mode. And after selecting only normal and click on start button, after start button you will get capsa and just type. Wait, the page is loading. Page is loaded. Here you see only uh, easy captcha. Just type it. Here is only number 9. After typing this captcha, you can press enter button from your keyboard, or you can click on the send and enter button. Here you can see I just clicking on this, and you see I completed this captcha, uh, and you can also complete this easy captcha. After training mode finished, will you will be paid for every captcha you are typing. So in this is the video about only introducing to captcha site. So I going to pay out how you can be paid. Just click on payout from the menu section and you will get this page. Here you can see two captcha supports web money, perfect money, bitcoin advantage, uphold, coinbase, payer. Too many payment method are supported by 2capsa. So but as a beginner, as a starting, you can't add your payment method because you don't have any dollar in this site. For that, after earning uh, any amount of dollar, you can add your payment method to withdraw your money. uh, so I hope you can earn money. Now you can earn money from TrueCaptcha site. If you like my video, please share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.